Welcome to another Arizona Airgun Hunter adventure. Today I'm hunting on the south side of my permission. Here is one of the flocks of pigeon that I will be targeting. Be sure to stick around to the end to see some of my close misses. Or should I say shooter error. I apologize for the lack of focus, but I spotted this guy at about 50 yards. I wait for the other pigeons to clear as I take him with a good shot to the neck. I spot these pigeons at about 30 yards. I'm lying prone, and this one comes walking in. Lights out. I spot this guy in the cow's pen at 42 yards. He turns away from me as I pull the trigger, and the NSA 36.2 grain slug breaks his wing. He hobbles off as I begin to reload for a second shot. He stops and stands at 50 yards, and I take him with a good heart long shot. That NSA slug hit him pretty hard. I spot this small flock of pigeon in the same cow pen standing at about 38 yards. This shot ends up being a 2-for-1, which I didn't realize until after I turned off my recording device. I nailed this first guy with a good heart long shot. The slug travels through and hit the bird behind him. Watch as he hobbles off to the right of the screen. They are both down. I spot this pigeon at 38 yards. I hit him with a pretty good shot. I thought he took flight, but he just scurried along the ground to the left of the screen. I pan around, looking for him through my scope, but you will see him shortly. He is down. There. Again, I'm laying prone. I spot these guys at 45 yards, and I take them with a good old Texas hard shot. I believe that's what it's called, right? And he is feet to the sky. Lights out. I ran across these pigeons feasting at 40 yards. I wait for a good clear target, and I take him with a good shot to the crop. I spot these pigeons in a cow's pen at about 25 yards. They were feeding and on the move, so I wait for one to hesitate, and I take him with a good heart long shot. He's down. Laying prone, I spot this pigeon at 38 yards. I take him with a heart long shot. This shot turns out to be a 3-for-1. I didn't realize it until after I retrieved the pigeon and viewed the footage. Here's one of the casualties. Wrong place, wrong time. Let's see that shot again. Shots off. Travels through the pigeon, striking the cowbird flopping around at the top of your screen. He is the third casualty. He expires in the feed. Here again, I'm lying prone, waiting patiently for a clear shot or for other pigeon to come in. My patience pays off. I eventually spot a pigeon who wanders far enough away from the cows for a clear shot. He's down. Let's see that shot again. Watch as his crop expands, apparently from the exit wound of the slug. This shot occurs at 25 yards. He takes a really hard hit and he's down almost instantly. Here's another 25-yard shot. Flutters around and expires shortly thereafter. And this is the last shot of the day. It flutters a little, but it's lights out. Here are a few close misses, or should I say shooter errors. I spot this flock of pigeon inside of one of the cow's pens. They are about 55 yards away. Eventually, I locate a target and I key in on it and I take the shot. Unfortunately, it's a miss. Let's see that shot again. Shots off, bird turns, slug goes behind. This pigeon was on alert at 40 yards, and again, really close miss. Let's see that shot again. Watch as the slug goes right over his shoulder, removing a few feathers. He makes an escape, unharmed. This group of pigeon was spotted at 48 yards. Again, I have to choose a target. But one will eventually walk in, and I will take the shot. And again, it's a close miss. Let's watch again. I believe the pellet falls short, right between the pigeon's legs, as he takes flight. He's spared by shooter error. This next pigeon was spotted on the rooftop at 40 yards. Watch as I pull the slug to the left and he narrowly escapes a crop shot. He takes flight to feed another day. I spot these pigeons at 60 yards inside of one of the cow pens. But once again, shooter error kicks in and I overshoot my target. Watch as the slug travels over the back of my intended target, hitting the dirt. And they too live to feed another day. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.